This is Honors Algebra 2 Pre-Calculus. We're doing 9.6 in Pre-Calc, example 8. So combination lock, which FYI is totally a misnomer, meaning an incorrect name for something, but we'll talk about it in a sec, with numbers from 1 to 40, has how many possible combos? Again, totally that is not the mathematically right way to say it, to unlock it. So we all know, because we live in high schools at different times, right, that a combination lock, right, which is incorrectly named, has 3 numbers, and you turn your lock in one direction to the first number, and then you spin your lock the other way to the next number, and then the other way to the last number. One thing important here is that a combination lock actually shouldn't be called a combination lock. It should be called a permutation lock, because the order of the numbers in your combination absolutely matters, which mathematically doesn't make it a combination. Mathematically, that makes it a permutation. So although this is called a quote-unquote combination lock, in reality, that's a misnomer, and we shouldn't call them combos. We should call them, like, permus, right? So I should be like, what's your lock? Permu, instead of your lock combo, because it's not actually a combination. But anyway, so if we have the numbers from 1 to 40, which is what a typical lock has, or sometimes they do 1 to 39, actually, because they zero out back at 39, and then it goes back to 0. But let's say it's 1 to 40. How many combinations, which are really permutations, are possible? Well, the trick is that you have 40 numbers possible for the first number in your quote-unquote combination, right? But you're allowed to have repeat numbers, so you have 40 numbers possible in the next one, and then you have 40 numbers possible in the last one. So really, for your 3 combination numbers, you could have 40 times 40 times 40, right? Which you can do a couple of different ways. Most of us know 4 cubed is 64, and then there would be 3 zeros at the end, or you could type it in your calculator, but it's 64,000 possible. So this is why if you don't know somebody's lock combination, or lock permu, which is really what we should call it, you're not probably going to guess it. So